Installing Windows 7 again because it got kind of corrupted. So we have to reinstall it and then reinstall all of the software on it. So that's gonna take a while. So we have a fresh 69 gigabytes. Oh wow. I need to clean my hard drive soon. So luckily I did not delete Windows 7. I hope not, at least. I think it's in here. There it is. W7 Ultimate. So luckily I did not delete it. So let's go to setup and set up Windows 7 again. So this is actually how I did it the first time. I just don't feel like messing around and making live USB, so I just installed it directly from here. So we're gonna install now. Also, Blue Ringo is also installing Windows 7, so we can do it together, I guess, kind of. But all my customizations are gonna be gone, and I have to do it again. So, do or don't? Don't. Accept them, custom, and we are gonna install it onto Windows 7B. So, I just upgraded the hard drive from a 16 gig to a 20 gig, so I hope that's not what did it. It's like, it was just corrupted, totally. Like, I could not even log in, and the user account I could log into didn't even show up Windows Explorer, so yeah. So I'm just gonna leave this recording here, so yeah. Luckily I have this computer to keep me busy. Let me just put my tripod. My tripod, but quarter stand here thingy. Okay. This will take a while, so go get yourself a cup of coffee. And also, while it's installing, this is the perfect time to tell you, I now have a Discord server, so go and check that out, and the link for that will be down in the description box below. I hope. So go and check that out once the video is ready. I wish I could actually install Discord onto XP, but I can't, sadly. So yeah, in this video you're just going to basically watch me install Windows 7. Oh, I wanted to show you what happened, but it would have taken too long, so yeah. So like reboot the computer into Windows 10 and get Windows reinstalled. Yeah, that one's taking forever. So, yeah. Oh, I thought I was already on. Okay, so Windows is going to reboot into actual Windows 7 now, so yeah. At least I'm pretty sure it's going to boot into 7. And I just got done recording a video. Luckily not on 7, but I just got done recording a video. Okay, so Dell Windows Setup. Yeah, if I clicked on 7, it would have done something. Okay, so there we go. See if I can get Discord on my phone. That'd be nice. Or my iPhone. So, yeah, I'm just gonna download an older version of Discord because the current version actually requires 9.0 and I'm at 8.4.1. So, yeah. I think this is 732 bits. So here are the rules for the server. Like I said, I actually do have a server, so yeah, so. Okay, so 98%. We almost done 99. 100. Actually, it didn't take long. Okay, installing features, that's done. Now it's gonna install some updates. And then reboot the PC. This part never takes long. And then it should ask to reboot the PC. And I'll just hit restart now. And I think it'll just boot into Windows 7 and not worry about Windows setup anymore. Let me see here. Like I said, just booted into 7. I have some things to remove. Oh, no. So now it is in 1024 by 768. So it's better than 800 by 600, I guess. Wonder who's watching. So, you remember me deleting some things in the Windows hard drive and trying to make space in Windows 7? Well, even if you don't. Um, yeah, that messed up Windows, so I was not planning on doing this episode at all. Really. You didn't do any of it. This was my fault. So. Oh. But yeah, I deleted stuff in expanded storage. So yeah, I called Microsoft. They wanted $80 to fix it, and they probably wouldn't even fix it. So yeah, I'm back here. Okay, so now just install the video driver. So now I can see it on two screens. Cool, I guess. I don't care if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm installing Windows 732 on here. Ah, but you can't install it from Windows. You actually have to make a live USB for that. So, download Rufus and get a USB, and it's pretty simple. This is gonna take a while. Usually does. Yeah, just like get the 64-bit version of 7 and then download Rufus. And hopefully you have a USB also. Or burn it to a disk. My USB ports have no drivers? What? What does that even mean? Yeah, Arrow is always nice. Right, it's better than Luna. Should be restarting any second now. Huh. That is so weird, considering your laptop came with Windows 7. If you have a DVD-RW drive, you have DVDs, burn it. And then if you get the ultimate version of Windows 7, I'll give you a key or an activator. Oh, you'll do it for me? Thank you. Okay, so now that my computer is restarting, I can actually set up Windows, and yeah, Windows 7 and 10. So remove those other two options, so let's boot into 7. So I technically didn't need Firefox open. Yeah. You killed the drivers. How? I'm not sure if you have it installed, but open this up on 7. Huh, and it's actually said that I'm uploading in the announcements little tab thingy. That's nice. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. Thank you. Setup is checking video performance. I would have installed Vista, but I had 7 on hand on ISO, so. Hey, I have tons of USB devices plugged into my computer and it's still working. Okay, so now is the part of the show that I'm gonna let you see my wonderful Toshiba. That's helped me through a lot of this. That's why I was planning on reinstalling 7 anyway, so it's no sweat off my back. Actually, no, I don't want a password. My computer sometimes does that. I have no idea why. I'll activate it. Time, estimator for updates. Central time. It's not 9:03. Oh, it is 9:03. An hour went by that fast. Okay, next. Okay, so now I can play back over here. So I'm on a home network. And I don't know that. So setup will continue after restarting your computer, of course. Of course it does. 7. Starting Windows one more time. Now I have to customize the heck out of it. For me, Windows 7 looks too businessy. What the? I already set up Windows 7. Then why did you trick me by saying Windows is preparing your computer for first use? Why did you trick me with that? That's why I love Windows 7. It's like one of my favorite operating systems. I will cry when it loses support in 2020. I mean, I won't actually cry because I don't cry, but I'll be sad when it fades out. Through camera, it looks like 800 by 600. It really does. Hey, come on. Windows 7 Ultimate. So let's immediately put extend. Huh. Hey, for me, Windows 7 totally beats out Windows 10. That's my book, at least. I have it on another laptop, so that's fine. So let's go into Internet Explorer and get our Ninets. This video is brought to you by Ninet. Install apps easily. I'm just kidding. Please sponsor me. My browser is not supported. I don't care. Use Firefox instead of Chrome. I actually do like the new Firefox. Discord. It actually is here. Discord. Discord, Skype, iTunes, VLC, Audacity, Java. Should I get .NET? Why not? I'll get my this. I need OneDrive. I'm getting both. Firefox and Chrome. I'm also gonna need TeamViewer 13. WinRAR. Should I get Visual Studio Code? I never will ever use it, so probably not. Anything else? ShareX, what does that do? Screenshot uploader. Okay. Cupid torrent. I use uTorrent. OneDrive, I'd love to use that. ImageBurn. I just use normal Windows 1, it works just fine. Classic Start. I prefer the start screen. And that. I should get Python, but nah. So let's get my Ninit. So that's what it includes. Save. There. Run. Run. So yeah, that is everything people do with Internet Explorer. So let me just get it how I had it before. Oops, not in Task Manager. Yeah, I got it. It's right. ShareX, right there. So let's use small icons. Combine when taskbar is full. So I just prefer this look. Now I'm just going to look up on Google how to get rid of these. So 21 gigs. Well, more like 13 now. Well, that's fine, because, well, at least it's not 16. That would have been an issue. So I usually get that one. You know what? Let's make it look like Windows 7 Home Basic. You know why not? People think Home Basic is the worst. Yes, it is. Of course it is. I only have like 60 gigabytes remaining in Windows 7 or 10. I have 70, so I have to clean this hard drive before I give this one more storage. So while this is installing, I'll have to look it up. But while that is installing, what we're gonna do is open up Firefox and download some drivers. Who wants to do that? Fun. Java's gonna take a while, I know it is. Can WinRAR be before Java? It's after it. Oh, Firefox looks nice. But it doesn't have my thing. Actually, it didn't. I never even used Firefox in 7 before, so I don't even think I had it. So let me just customize a thing here. Like, oh, it did change the default from Yahoo to Google. So let's customize. Oh, wait, I'm going to go back here. Yes, I want to add search bar. Customize. And on the library Macs, we have to use Firefox because they don't have Chrome. And Firefox isn't that bad after this update. I mean, it wasn't bad in the XP version, but... where's downloads? Trying to find downloads. So I always... It was right up there automatically. You couldn't tell me? Add-ons. Let's also forget. And... that's it done. Because we are done. Oh, nice. Why don't you use that PC for our video? Library, bookmarks, bookmarking tools, and bookmarks menu toolbar. I don't think I wanted that. There we go. Okay, so it's done. It's installing TeamViewer 13 now. I forgot to back up something. That was kind of crucial. So let me sign into Google here. You will never get my password. Unless yes. Besides that, never. Even if you do ask, you're never gonna get it. is what I wanted.
Hello friends. Windows 7 gives the option to pin programs to the taskbar of your PC. If you don't want Windows to give any more suggestions to pin the programs, you can choose to disable it. Here's how. First of all, create the system restore point before you disable the pinning feature. To do so, right-click on the computer icon on the desktop,
Still?
then click Properties.
Why didn't you just use Linux?
Click System Protection in the left pane.
Okay, OneDrive is now installing, which is good. I meant properties, not manage.
On the System Properties window, click Create under the System Protection tab. Type the name for the restore point or the process to disable the pinning feature. To do so, click on Start menu and then type gpedit.msc.
I know it's in gpedit. Thank you. No, Ninit is this thing. It installs all of your programs for you. You don't have to manually do it. I always do it that way. That'd be kind of bad. Oh my god. Let's show pass it. I'm just kidding. Oops, I hacked my account. Yeah, I've noticed. I wonder why. Oh, probably because you're like using Internet Explorer for it.
The search box and press Enter. The local group policy editor window will appear. Now
Goodbye,
go to
taskbar
User
icons.
Configuration options and click to expand the Administrative Templates menu and then click on Start menu and taskbar.
Hold on, I'm not there yet. I'm literally following a YouTube video to help me in a YouTube video. What? It's too much to do on this PC right now. Okay. You see how much space is? 11 gig left. I don't think it's gonna fit everything. Luckily I'm getting .NET 4.7.2 because it says skipped .NET 4.6.2 or higher. So I'm getting .NET. I'm glad for that. I'm gonna reopen that. gpedit.msc. This is like an out. This is almost like. Oh, 7 with 16 gigabytes. Literally lasted me a few months. Pretty good, actually. I would have to go to there.
Double click on Do not allow pinning programs to the taskbar.
Do not allow pinning programs to the taskbar. Where's that? Do not allow. Do not allow pinning programs to the taskbar. There we go. So I will just say enabled and apply. Goodbye taskbar icons. And now I cannot. Oh, but it still has these. Okay, let me just. Let me just, you know, do that so I can unpin these. So I can have like that old Vista look, or XP. Okay, there we go. Now, I think there's one more thing. And I'm almost done installing everything, and you're still trying to install Firefox. That's pretty sad. Why don't you just get ESR and then upgrade from there? No! I accidentally hit X. um, oh man. I didn't mean to hit X, I meant to move the window. Well, I moved it. I'm glad that it realizes. So why? Just download Firefox ESR. Like you don't have to get the latest Firefox Quantum. Yeah, I have Firefox Quantum 60.02 or 0.232 bit because I have 732 bit. Yeah, that's what I think. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. What was it that I had? I'm just looking up something quickly here. So I wanted. Should be in my history. Yeah. And it's still canceling remaining actions. I'm just gonna quit out of it. And restart it. So what you're about to see is private, so I'm just gonna put it down. And you can see my X1 remote. Fire up your TV. No, it's Xfinity. Okay. Filter by date. By Chrome. It only took me past this week. All time custom. Come on. After May 1st, but before May 11th. No. That's why I'm dying inside too, so. Yeah. Where me, I'm trying to go through my search history to find something that I'm probably never gonna find. Actually, I don't use Safari much. Did I use Safari for it? Probably not, though. Oh, come on! Okay, Chrome, May 1st through May 11th. So, Wayback Machine, Steady State, McGraw-Hill. Okay, so now I'm just gonna search by Windows. Okay. Now, how did I do it? PDF escape. Put this over on my other screen. Because I know it was something in here. I just don't know where to find it. What? Go to my Chrome history on my tablet, because I think it was on here. But I looked it up. That's probably gonna have all of my history, like literally all of my history. That I have to literally scroll through. Huh. No! Come on. Yeah, and I know I found it via picture. So let me just... Actually, no, I don't use Uber. Yeah, I bet if I booted into Windows 8, I could find it, but... I know, I also need some help. Oh, I think that's it. I just found it. How to enable verbose or highly detailed status messages in Windows 10, 8, and 7. So, I found it. So, to do it, at least I was on the right one. but I had to go down to system. And then Robos. I'm trying to get like a thingy to work. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Getting started. Welcome screen. Oh. Windows 7. Oh, wait, it's under administrative tools. System. Click on. Click on what? Verbos versus. Oh, we should. Okay, so I found the verbose versus normal status messages, so that's how I had it last time, so that's how I'm gonna do it this time. And it is still installing .NET 4.7.2. .NET, for some reason, takes forever to install. So, yeah, I told you, a picture helped me find that. And a picture helped me find it this time. If I actually go into here and type in verbose, I bet I can actually find it this time. Just do one time and apply. Yeah, here it is. Enable verbose or highly detailed status messages on Windows. Yeah, this was the picture that helped me. Please wait for the user profile service, preparing your desktop, shutting down Windows update services, blah 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 blah. I don't really care. Shall I do that? iTunes, another version is already installed. No. I have to find the one that actually has the online radio. So, yeah. I think it was 12.6 or something. Well, that's how I want to set up Windows 7. But, yeah, this was an easy hour. It's 9:41. The iPhone was released 12 hours from now. So, yeah, I think that will be it for this video. Blue Ringo, if you have Discord on your tablet, talk. Because I actually put it on my phone, so yeah. So yeah, put Discord on your tablet. So yeah. So yeah, and I think that will finally wrap up this very long episode of OS for Summer USA. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Oh, okay, yeah. put it either on the iPad or on your tablet. So yeah. So now this concludes this episode of OS First Timer USA. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.